Get ready for a cooking challenge like no other. Today, our family members are going head-to-head in a culinary showdown.
I'm making my famous chicken parmesan.
I'm whipping up a spicy stir-fry.
I'm making a peanut butter banana smoothie.
And I'm making chocolate chip cookies.
They have 30 minutes to create their dishes. Let's see who'll be crowned the family cooking champion. And the winner is? Family member's name? Congratulations. Thanks for joining us on this family cooking challenge. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun family videos.